Hi YouTube, it's your girl Paige and welcome back to my channel OhhSoPaige, and we're back with another video. So as you've seen in the title, I am dyeing my hair pink today. I'm going to be using hair paint wax. It's all the new rage right now, color wax, and it's just like something that you can just wash off your hair. And I got it in the shade pink. And as you can see, it's kind of like a darker pink. I thought it was going to be a little bit brighter, but we'll see how it looks on the hair. For my styling product, I'm going to be using Dark and Lovely All Naturale Anti-Shrinkage Curl Moisturizing Soufflé, and I have it for the tight curls and coils. So that's for people with 4C hair like me. So the technique that I'm going to be using today to dye my hair is I'm going to go ahead and add the styling product first, because I've seen people who have, they already have nice spring-like curls. They just add the product to their wet hair and go about their day. But being a 4C curl girl, I'm going to actually style my hair and then add the product to it. So as you can see, I went ahead and added my Dark and Lovely curling soufflé to my hair first. Used my dimming brush and raked it through to make sure my curls were defined. And then I go ahead and add some of the color wax onto my hair afterwards to lock in the color. So I put in the product first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my twist out. And for the ends, I'm gonna add my perm rods. Much as you desire for your desired look. In the back, I know I added more product than when I did it in the front because I wanted the front to be lighter. So I mean, as long as the color is looking how you want and you got it evenly coated, just add as much as you want. I will say, because it's a wax, it actually added definition to my curls as well. So that's another like pro of the wax. It adds more definition. this product to look like it's gonna be so messy, I didn't really like get my shirt dirty. Honestly, it really was not that messy as long as you kept a towel nearby and you just kept checking your hands. It's not that bad, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I know this video has been voiceovers, but I just wanted to actually say my final thoughts about it. I really like it. It's not as light of a pink as what I wanted. In Lisette's video, she pretty much mixed her color with white wax and to get a lighter color. So I think what I would do is purchase white wax and then add it on top of this, because I mean, I like this pink, but I just feel like it could be lighter. Like, it's pretty dark to me, which is fine, especially back here in the back. In the back where I put more in the beginning, it's really dark in the back spots versus the front. And like I said, I still have like more than half of this left. Like, the jar is still really full. Like, it's a lot still in here. And it was $9.99, so I'll have it linked down below. As far as people with dark hair, I don't know if you have to get a different brand. This is hair paint wax. I know that there is a Amazon company called Moisturizing or something like that, and they sell it. Because I've seen people with black hair put the wax on and it actually dye their hair, but the parts where I put it on the black, I don't really see it. And I know I probably look weird because I'm all closed, but you can see where I put it, but it ain't really like, it didn't really like change it. So only like my blonde pieces really changed. Y'all, I really like this style on my hair, for real. I might have to do this more often because my curls are elongated, because, you know, I started with a twist out and then I added the perm rods at the bottom. So I really like it. And I use my Dark and Lovely Au Naturale Anti-Shrinkage Curl Moisturizing Soufflé. And I used it for tight curls and coils. They also have one for loose curls and something else. I also have that one too, but I have 4C hair, so this one is for me. When I've tried to use the other one, the curls don't come out right. And that's because it's not the formula for my hair texture. So I will have that. I don't think I'm gonna link this down below. I'm just gonna tell you what it is, because this actually is old. So I'll just tell you in the bottom what this is that I use on my hair. But like I said, y'all, look at how that came out. I took this all down off camera, so if you want me to do a tutorial on like this technique, I would definitely do that. But y'all, my curls look so good. They don't look as good on this side because I think I rushed more on this side, and I didn't like leave as much free. So I twisted down and stopped like more than halfway so the rest could be a curl. But I think over here I did more of a twist, and then only the little piece at the end is a curl, which makes a difference because I like the way it looks over here where it's like half and half versus over here. But it is what it is. I like it. It came out really cute. I need to do more picking it out, but it came out cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below of my pink hair. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if this was a success or a failure to you. Also, let me know if you want me to try other colors. This was worth the $10 to me. This was worth it. So if you would like for me to do other colors, like let me know in the comments below. I'll get other colors from them. And if you want me to try the Amazon company and compare them, I can do that. I can try the Amazon company, that Moisturizing stuff, and compare it to hair paint wax from that actual company and let you guys see the difference or tell the difference from it. But that is all for my video today, y'all. My hair has so much body and motion and cute curls. Yes, this style, like, oh, I might use this technique more often. I don't know if it's the technique or if it's the product, but yes. Do y'all see this? Okay, well, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.